We are looking at the Sony Inzone M9 with the Samsung Odyssey G6 and kind of doing a little quick comparison. The first things to notice, this is an OLED, QOLED monitor, and right now I have Energy Saver on because I worry about screen burning. So that's the first thing I kind of worry about with the monitor, that it might get screen burning because it is an OLED monitor. While this one is an LED monitor, well, I don't have to worry about that so much. So I use this for 2 years now, and no burning issues currently yet. But as you can see, they both are bright enough, at least for the room. This monitor is not going to be good if you're going to use these outside in the sun. And both the colors are good on both. They're both on HDR, but the Inzone M9 was specifically made for the PlayStation 5, so it's compatible. You can do the 120. It's 4K. This is not 4K. This is 1440p, but it does have a refresh rate of 240. Because usually most people are not going to do 4K gaming, because usually you're going to have a very powerful computer if you're going to run high graphics at 4K. But 440p is also, it's kind of like a great middle ground between 1080p and 4K. But I wanted this one because I wanted a PC monitor and a PlayStation monitor, PlayStation 5 monitor that I can use. This one can also be for work, so when I'm working with images or video. But of course, unless the screen is OLED, they're not really going to see like the accurate color. But yeah, so let's just show you a little bit of the off axis. You can kind of see what I mean. It has like a little bit of a gray that's more obvious on the off axis. But it's not much of an issue on the QOLED monitor of the G6. But the colors are great to me, at least, when I look at them. They look like they're supposed to. So depending on what I need, I just needed something a little bit different in technology, and at least worry less when it comes to burn-in. So that's going to be an issue with the OLED if you're not careful enough. So they do have the technology and software that it tries to turn itself off, refresh itself, like I think every 4 hours. So if you have to, it's better to, for long hours, you have to be careful with the OLED monitor. But of course with the Inzone M9, I didn't have to worry about that. It's been like 2 years and still running great, no issues. But we'll see in a couple of years how my OLEDs going. But right now I'm just being careful. But also another thing that I wish or I hope in the future, that the G6 will have software that I can do any setting changes from the PC itself. Like with the Inzone, I can do the settings here, but there's also software that controls all of this, all these settings in the software on the PC, so I don't have to go reaching for the monitor to change the settings. But with this one, they maybe want like 1 or 2 settings you can change with the software. But if you need to change anything, all of it is on the on-screen display on the scroll wheel. So yeah, I hope they kind of do the software on that one. But this has been the comparison of the Sony Inzone M9 and the Samsung Odyssey G6.